Can a police officer release a person on bail even without filing the charge sheet? This question recently posed to me by one of my intern who is working with me, and he wanted to ask me that, sir, if someone like a complainant files a complaint against the other person and on the basis of that complaint the other person gets arrested by the police officer, so do the police officer have the powers to release the person on bail even without completing the investigation, without filing the charge sheet in the court? Let me tell you, the answer to this is yes. Police officer do have the power to release the person on bail if police officer finds out that the accused person has not committed any offense or there is lack of evidences. If there are lack of evidences, or on the basis of his perspective that accused person has not committed any offense, he has the power to release the person on bail subject to sureties or the bond he will be required to fill up, that is the accused person. But there is one thing which you need to understand, that the police officer has to file the status report to the magistrate concerned that he released a person on bail because he did not find that meaningful to forward that accused person to the magistrate, and according to him the accused person did not commit any offense as alleged by the complainant. Now in this situation there is one thing very imperative for you to understand, that the magistrate to whom the report has been submitted by the police officer related to that particular offense in which the accused person has been released on bail by the police officer, the magistrate is not bound by the report of the police officer. He can still call the accused person, call the even police officer to let the accused person appear before the court. And if magistrate finds out that the accused person has not committed any offense, then only he will discharge the accused person. Otherwise he has the authority powers to proceed the trial against the accused person. But if magistrates finds out that the police officer did release the person on bail, that is a genuine thing, there is no malpractice involved, then obviously he will close the file without going into the merits of the case. But otherwise he do have the absolute and ancillary powers to call the police officer or to directly summon the accused person to come before the court and give the justification of the offense as alleged by the complainant. So police officer do not have the absolute power to release the person on bail. He still have to submit the report to the magistrate, and magistrate has the power to again call and examine the accused person on the basis of evidences collected by the investigating officer, and he can still call the investigating officer to examine or re-examine the accused person. So ultimately the conclusion of all of this is the magistrate is the supreme authority. Even if the police officer do release the person on bail, then also he has to report the same thing to the magistrate, and magistrate after satisfying himself, he will take the report of the police officer in consideration. And in those cases where the accused person is being released on bail by the police officer, obviously in those cases the police officer do not have to file the charge sheet because the investigation is not completed. On the basis of half investigation or preliminary investigation inquiry, police officer release the person on bail.